Me, a Mimi. I am pupinia. You get pupinia and Mimi mixed up, but it's getting old. What even is a Mimi? Is that some sort of brain tumor? Shut up. Shut up. Care what you think of me? I am Pupinia Stewart, so stop calling me a Mimi. It's getting on my nerves. Never believed, but the worst thing that I was probably called was a Mimi. I'm Pupinia Stewart, not Mimi. I don't know who Mimi is. Do I look like her or something?